Okay, Tuesday morning, Tricep Tuesday, I guess we can call it. Get the chest and triceps out of the way. Focus on that stretch and flex again. So, been working a lot on the additional stretch at the base of the movement into a hard flex, and then slow back into that stretch in a nice negative. A lot of honking going on out here. Woke up an hour early by the grace of God, or the alternate, and went to the gym early. So done early. Hope you have a good Tricep Tuesday. Quick shout out to the firewood guy. It was his birthday this past weekend. We were out there for it in Glamis last year at this time. It was a good time. Miss you, big guy. Happy birthday, Shane.